What is going on, hustlers? Another day, another dollar. I want to talk to you today about minimum profit. What is the minimum profit you look for when you're outsourcing an item? Recently, I was asked to participate in a Q4 buying group, mostly like toy alerts, everything else for Q4 for the Christmas season. And right away, I was impressed by the sheer volume of messages back and forth. Heck, yesterday there was 170 messages that I missed while my phone was on silent. Now, it's blowing my phone up every day. Already today, I think there's been about 50 messages in that group. Not bad for a Monday morning, except for I started noticing the bolos that people are putting in there. And like, man, there's a bee there. They're giving you stuff that you can buy at Walmart for $19.98 and Amazon's on the listing at $19.99. There's no profit in it. Yeah, you could hope that Amazon's going to run out at some point during Q4 and maybe you might make a few bucks, but what happens if they don't? Are you prepared to sit on those items? Other things that they're putting up there, there's maybe a 60 cents, 50 cents profit on items that Amazon's not on the listing, but that doesn't leave you much room. If somebody tanks that listing, you're screwed. I was in that same boat. For the longest time, we'd pick up stuff, if we could make a quarter on it, we'd pick it up. Stuff at garage sales, we still consider a few things at that, depending what it is. If it's a fast seller, something I'm selling local, it varies. Man, these are crazy out here today. But minimum, when I'm looking at stuff for like online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, I need $5-6 in it in profit before I'll even consider it, because it's the same amount of work for me to put that package together to send to Amazon to make 50 cents as it is to make $6 an item. So post in the comments, let me know what your minimum profit is when you're outsourcing. Alrighty, hustlers, get out there and go do